Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. In today's video, I have an Ogerbeads unboxing for you. Ogerbeads was so kind to send me a few beads to review. I haven't opened this at all. In fact, this was a surprise packaging, so thank you so much Ogerbeads for sending this to me. But I already saw on Instagram they have a new release for a new collection and also a new bead of the month for their 5-year celebration of the brand. So I'm guessing that there are a few beads inside that are related to that collection. I love the tissue packaging this time. I mean, always the packaging is so beautiful, but this tissue with the white paper and the black hearts is so beautiful. I also love the ribbon with the purple color, and here is a note card they sent me, and it reads, "Dear Karen, thank you for the nice videos. Enjoy reviewing our new collection, Summer Stars." Oh, so there's a name for the new collection, Summer Stars. Love the Ogerbeads theme. Ogerbeads. Thank you so much for that, and of course, thank you guys, because without you watching my videos, I won't have this type of opportunities. As always, I will try to preserve this packaging as much as possible because I want to do some content also for my Instagram. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can check my Instagram. It's PRgrl, the same name as here in YouTube. I always put there my designs most of the time. I try to do on YouTube more of my unboxing with occasionally a few designs here and there, but most of my designs are on my Instagram account. So if you can find some time to go ahead and check my Instagram and follow me, I will appreciate that. By the way, this is my bracelet or bangle of the day. Okay, right there. I have this sunflower spiral that was released with the previous collection, and these two glass beads, which are beautiful, and I think it goes pretty nice with this bar as well. I'm also wearing this peacock bangle, of course, by Ogerbeads, and then these spacers, which are my favorites, or not spacers, excuse me, stoppers, which are my favorites from Ogerbeads. They're absolutely lovely. So let's open this from the side. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, oh, I see there's a new card. And I see 4 baggies, but there's more. Oh, and then 2 extra more. I don't know, like which one should I start first with? But then here I have to show you this beautiful card. Of course, you guys know I love pink. I love pink with purple, pink with red, pink with orange, any combination. And this is so beautiful. Also love the, combination with this beautiful turquoise color right here on the side. Looks like a fabric or something like that. Very pretty. And here it says, "Thank you for shopping with us, Ogerbeads." That's so beautiful. Okay, let's put that right there. I don't know which ones should I open first. Let's just go randomly because, as I said, I'm unboxing this with you guys. So there's one glass bead in here. Unfortunately, I'm looking at it and it doesn't have a name, so I will have to add the name later on. But let me see what's in here. It says Summer Star, so maybe this is an astronaut bead. Oh, sorry about that. Let me put this on my charm bar or bead bar and look at it closely. Again, I don't know exactly the name of this bead, but to me, it looks like an astronaut. I see the feet right there at the bottom. And then there's a face with a helmet, like an astronaut helmet. And then I see some hands as well. And it is like a planet bead, a round bead with stars. I can see all the stars in here. So beautiful. Oh, and I also see, that's like a tail of a rocket. Let me turn it around so we can see from the back. So here is the back of it, and yes, I'm seeing some rocket. So it seems that the astronaut is inside the rocket and is also surrounded by a planet bead. That's so cool, and it's a different touch for a round bead because of course this is clearly a round bead, but it's a nice touch that instead of just being plain round, we can see that there's like a character inside, which is like, you know, an astronaut. So that's very cool. So again, this is a true unboxing, so let's do another one. I'm gonna go with my favorite color forever, which is pink. And let's see what's on this pink baggie. And I see some red tones, and this one has name. We have here the lipstick element fragments, such a cute name. And this is backwards, and in here we have the Blood Mary wavelet. So let me open them and show them to you on my bead bar again. So here are the 3 glass beads. The one in the center is called Bloody Mary wavelet. And of course, I can't help but think about the Bloody Mary drink. But it's so beautiful. I see the inside core is more black and the flowers are red. And they're surrounded by white details on them. And there's some white stripes as well. They could also be like poppies, right? So pretty. And of course, I have to love the lipstick element fragments, and these ones are a really nice price as well. I think they're around $25 if I'm not mistaken. And I love seeing these red glass beads because I feel that we need more reds in the glass community. I also feel that my camera maybe is not doing them justice because in the camera I see them more of an orangey red, whereas when I look at them right in front of me, they are a true red and a very vibrant one. I also see that these glass beads, the element fragments, are faceted, which made them more beautiful because they shine amazing when the light hits them. They're absolutely stunning. Here you go. So nice. Let me see if I can show you a side view of this Bloody Mary glass bead. There you go. Which color should I do next? I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is sort of like a bronzy orangey shade. This is a new baggie, at least for me, a new color. So let's see what is inside. And here we have 2 more glass beads. This one is called terracotta element fragments. So another fragment bead. And this is sort of like, of course, terracotta color, so more brownish. And this one is called amber sunrise leaf twig fragments. And they look amazing together. So let's take a closer look at them. Okay, so here we have them closer. The one on the right, again, is called terracotta element fragments. And the one on the left is the amber sunrise leaf twig fragments. Both of them are faceted beads. The one on the right is like a muted brown color, very beautiful. It looks like a stone, so nice. And the one on the left reminds me to one that was released with the previous collection, which was green. And they will be beautiful, complementing each other on a design. Let me see if I can grab it really quick. And here is the green bead that was released with that collection, the previous one for spring. These two will be definitely amazing together because they are sister beads. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can show you a side view of these. There you go. So pretty with the beige, the yellow, and the orange tone. I feel that these two will also be fabulous to design with during fall. All right, so now let's open this green baggie. Let's see what's inside. Here we have a silver, and this is called luminary bead, and I see some stars. So let's take a closer look. This is the luminary stars bead. Well, I added the name of stars because I see the stars on it. I also feel because of the shape of this bead that they will encase a glass bead absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's a bunch of stars, and I will definitely need a second one of this one. Excuse me that there's the dog of my neighbor barking. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. Let me find one of the glass beads that I show you and put it next to this one so you can see. So there you go. Can you see how beautiful this luminary bead hugs the glass bead? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And I feel it would be nice to also mix with our Pandoras. Very beautiful. Okay, we have two more baggies to go. I'm gonna go with blue now, or turquoise blue. Let's see what's in here. Here we have two more glass beads. This one is called Electric Confetti, and this one is Blue Lagoon Gold Flowers. These two look amazing, particularly together because of the tones are very similar. Again, the one on the right, it's called Electric Confetti, and I must admit, I love the raised dots that it has on it. The colors are a degradation from right to left of yellow. I see turquoise or blue, and a royal blue shade. Very beautiful and perfect for summer, of course. And then the one on the left is called Blue Lagoon Gold Flowers. Absolutely beautiful with the green base. I see some speckles of glitter inside, like bronze glitter. And then also the blue flowers, very beautiful. And I love that combination of green and blue, you know, colors that are opposite on the color wheel or close to each other on the color wheel, like this green and blue or red and orange. Absolutely beautiful. Let me show you a side view. So here we see we have 4 of those beautiful blue flowers on this Blue Lagoon Gold Flowers. And on the confetti, electric confetti, that's the side view. Oh my goodness, so interesting. As interesting as the bead itself. It looks like a flower. And from the other side, I'm assuming you have the blue. There you go. Oh, that's so pretty. And now let's go ahead and open the last baggie that Ogerbeads sent me. So let's see what's in here. And I have inside 2 glass beads. One is the Rainbow Fire Flames, and the other one is the Grass Elements Fragments. All right, so the bead on the right is called the Rainbow Fire Flames. I think I already have one of those, so I will have to check on my small Ogerbeads collection. And the one on the left is another element fragments, another faceted bead with a beautiful jewel tone shade. And this one is called the Grass Element Fragments. Beautiful. It looks sort of like aventurine, but more of a green shade to it, because aventurine sometimes I feel it puts a little bit of blue. But that's those two. Here's a side view, gorgeous, of that Rainbow Fire Flames. I also thought about creating a few designs with these beads, and here is the first one. On it, I have placed this bead, which is the one with the astronaut on the rocket. I have to double check the name. I also placed in here this silver bead, which is the luminary bead. And then this one that I already had on my collection, I absolutely love this one. This is called the Northern Stars, I think. And then I have the confetti bead with the beautiful green, yellowish green, turquoise, and blue. And then this Rainbow Fire Flames bead. So pretty. I think these two complement each other beautifully. So that's one design. Here is another design that I have created with that terracotta fragment beads, and this one which has the terracotta colors and the beige. I also have this beauty of the little duckies, and this one which is the tulip bead, and this one I had already. This one I think is called the amber fragments, and I love this design, so cute, with sort of like a similar tone to it. The next design that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna say that I'm absolutely in love with. Look at it. It's primarily with shades of blue, green, turquoise. It's so pretty. On it, I have placed the sunflower barrel on the center, this confetti bead, and this other new one that I just got for review. I have here this hot air balloon bead in silver, which I absolutely love. And again, the tulip bead, this new green fragment bead, this one that I showed you from previously. I had this, which is from a particular set that this is still available with Ogerbeads, and this one, which was from the spring collection, absolutely gorgeous. And I think this looks really pretty on this flexible bracelet. And this is the last bracelet design that I'm sharing with you today. On it, I have more tones of red and black, a little bit of green, and also some of those summer stars bead, starting with this centerpiece, which is that astronaut bead. Is super cute, that's what I'm calling it. I also have these two glass bead flanking that astronaut bead, which are from the same set that I show you from my previous design. That green bead is an amazing deal for 5 beads, and I feel they go with many designs. So I have the red one or burgundy one, and this one with the glitter and also black. I have again this hot air balloon bead, which I absolutely love, and then this one with the moon, perfect for this summer star design. I also have this lipstick fragment bead. I have 2 of those, so I put them on the design. I feel also this will be fabulous to design with during Christmas or even Valentine's. And I have the luminary bead as well as this star bead. This one that I got from my previous package, and then the one that I received this time. And then also, of course, the stoppers on this bracelet with the smooth ends. And yeah, that's my final design. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this Ogerbeads unboxing with me for this beautiful Summer Stars collection. There are a few beads that I saw already that I want, which has pink on them. They're definitely on my wish list. Make sure you check them around. I'm absolutely in love with the ones that are called fragments because those jewel tones are so pretty. Anyhow, if you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate having you here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Gracias.